Hello guys, my name is Wolf and welcome to my channel. So today we have the UPBOOZ blow suction integrated and dual mode vacuum cleaner. So this vacuum cleaner right here has a digital display. It has a two-speed adjustment. It is easy to clean and so on. So it has a LED. It has a LED. It has LED lighting. It has a strong suction, Type C charging, double filter. It is wireless, compact, and one click to dust. So this vacuum cleaner right here is suitable for a variety of scenarios. So for you can use it to clean your car, your computer desktop, or your computer desk. You can use it to clean your couch or anything at home. So it is the black version I have right here. It has a metal body. So without further ado, let's just get to unboxing. So when we open the box, what we have one little box inside the box. In this little box, we have the accessories, so different suctions. Yes, that's what we have inside. We have this, and we have the manual paper. So let's just put this aside. I just put those aside for the moment. And then we have the actual vacuum cleaner. So as I said earlier, it is a black metal body. So it looks pretty good. And I can tell you it is kind of heavy, means that it is a good quality. So it is very, very, very beautiful. Let me remove the tape real quick. Yeah. And we have this. Oh, yes. All right. So there it is. This is the UPBOOZ vacuum cleaner. So it is, I can tell you that it is beautiful. And oh, one thing I forgot to mention earlier, it is powered, like it has a battery inside of it. So you don't have to connect it every time you use it. It is, as I said, it is portable. So you don't have to connect anything. You just charge it. So it has the charger. Let me get the charger for y'all to see. And here is the charger. Yes, so you just plug it in. You just plug it in right here like this. And boom, you have power. All right. So here is how you turn it on. You just press the button. See, now it's on and it's already going. If you can hear it, yes, it's already going. Yeah, just what you have to do is just try start to use it and like this. All right, guys. This is the UPBOOZ vacuum cleaner. It is not expensive. I think I paid $29 for it. And if you guys want to get yours, you can just click on the link in the description. I left the link in the description for you guys to go get yours. It is affordable and simple, functional vacuum cleaner. So just go get yours and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next videos. See you guys in the next one.